Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can connect Aliexpress onto your Shopify shop. So the way I'm going to connect Aliexpress to Shopify is by using an external app. The way you want to use this is by going on the search bar up here, and I want you to search DSers. And then press on this, DSers, Aliexpress Dropshipping. When here, just press on install. Great, now let it load. Once here, just press on install. Wait for it to load. Now you can either create an account for you or register yourself. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in real quick. Give me a minute. Once you have logged in, it'll prompt you with this, more value with less cost. This is the subscription page. I'm just going to press free for now. And now it'll prompt you to link onto Aliexpress. I'm just going to press this and I'm going to log in. Give it a second. I'm going to authorize. I'll check the authentication. And well done. Now your Aliexpress has been connected onto your Shopify shop.